A lot of you wanted me to review this screen protector, the anti-reflecting screen protector from Samsung for, of course, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, to be honest, the Galaxy S24 Ultra already has a really incredible anti-reflective display, but, of course, the screen protector is if you want to keep this display nice and scratch-free for many years to come. So this is everything that comes in the box. And of course, the screen protectors are not glass, they are a film type of material. I guess that is the best way to get that. Anti-reflective kind of component to it, but we're actually not going to be installing it on this S24 Ultra. We're going to be installing it on this S24 Ultra. As you guys know, this is a Samsung loaner unit. They sent me this to review, but I also picked up my very own. So let's go ahead and very quickly unbox it. Nice, and flip it over. Alright, this is as clean as this phone is going to be. Let's go ahead and lift it out. Come on, you sneaky little guy. Like, literally now is the best time to put on a screen protector, so let's go ahead and open this box up. So in here we do have the installation tool to go ahead and glide the, or to attach the phone. And then we have the squeegee and some dust removal stickers right here. Perfect. So on this little tool, you'll see these little, like, pull tabs. You want to pull these things off, so just pull them off like that. Perfect. And then you want to kind of shimmy your phone so it kind of sticks. There we go, perfect. So next, what you want to do is go ahead and pull off the number one. Just simply do that, flip it around, and these are dummy proof. So as you can see, these holes are different sizes, that's what she said. And it kind of corresponds with the sizes over there. So, like I said, it is literally dummy proof. What you want to do is carefully push the bottom piece down first. So, just make sure it's on now. Okay, so now you have to line up the camera housing. This is very hard to do looking at a camera. I'm so gonna mess this up, and then you guys are gonna hate me for it. So we're just gently placing it down ever so slightly. Okay, now you want to just glide your finger where that sticker was. The one that we took off, the number one sticker. You want to do that. Boom, we're halfway done, guys. Bear with me. Now you want to remove this. So what you want to do is pull this up and then, oh no, I'm messing this up, aren't I? No, I'm not. We're good, sweet. Then you just push, hell yeah, and then flip the phone around. Pull this piece up now, and then you want to take off this little tool. Perfect. Then you want to lift on this and then push. Bam, just like that. It's done. Then, of course, you want to take off this right here, and you got yourself a fine, handy-dandy screen protector, anti-glare or anti-reflection. There we go. So is this worth it? Well, that's why I have this phone. Well, that's not the only reason why, but we're going to compare the screen reflectivity. So it actually seems like the Samsung one, or at least the Samsung anti-glare screen protector, is not so anti-glare. You can see me more with the screen protector on than you can with this phone. And this phone does not have a screen protector, so you can clearly see me, I mean, like, clear as day. So it's, you know, you either have a screen protector that's a little bit anti-glare, or you have the tempered glass screen protector that is very glossy, or you can just rock the phone with no screen protector because this display is actually really scratch proof. So is it worth it? Well, I mean, yeah, I mean, it's definitely not as bad as a tempered glass screen protector, that's 100% sure. A tempered glass screen protector, you would be able to see my face right now like as if you're looking at a mirror. So this still is kind of anti-reflecting, but it's just not as good as without, well, it's not as good as, you know, with nothing on, obviously. So that's kind of it. Now, do I recommend it? Well, for the money, you know, you're getting two screen protectors in the box. The one that I just installed, and this one here. Very easy to install, as you guys can see. Absolutely no bubbles, and I didn't even use the dust removal stickers. So I just kind of freeballed it, you know. But absolutely, I mean, easy installation. So do I recommend it? Well, if you guys want to protect your screen and you don't want it to be as glossy as tempered glass, then I absolutely recommend it. But make sure you buy through Samsung. Do not buy those cheap anti-glare screen protectors from Amazon, please. Those give you such bad quality. Your image is going to be very kind of muted. It's not going to be great, so don't do it. Buy directly from Samsung. They know what they're doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, definitely drop that like. If you are new here, consider subscribing, and I have a lot more videos coming up on the S24 series. This is the Plus, this is the Ultra, and my normal S24 is at that desk over there. You guys can't see it, but anyway, if you guys want to see more videos, definitely subscribe. And as always, this was Carla from Review World.